ways to protect yourself if you're looking to have some work done at your property, or whether it's your vacation home, your primary residence, whatever it is. Or more importantly, 3 things to talk to your elderly parents about if you aren't living in their community and they're looking to have some work done at the house. Number 1, when they're talking with a contractor, make sure the contractor is licensed. And you see the license, you get proof and verification. Number 2, make sure there's an estimate for payment. Never, ever, ever pay anybody up front for any job that needs to be done. There should be a payment schedule before it starts, maybe midway through, and not until it's finished, and you give them that final check with a lien waiver. So the 3 things you should be getting if you're doing any work on your property, especially if you have parents that don't live in your community and they're out of area. Make sure they slow down. They make sure that those 3 things are satisfied. And hearing a lot more about scamming of the elderly, especially when family members aren't in the neighborhood. So please make sure your loved ones are protected. Share this video and let them know, or just have a talk with them about those 3 things. Proof of license, estimate of how payment is going to happen, and a lien waiver upon final payment. Have a great day, and if I can be a resource to you or your family in the Northwoods, give me a call.